Number 1 on this list is Omron HN286 Ultra Thin Automatic Personal Digital Weighing Scale with LCD display and 4 sensor technology. Now let's talk about the features. After using this machine gets turned off automatically and it has a tempered glass for safety. This Omron digital weighing scale can withstand weight up to 180 kgs. This weighing scale has 4 out of 5 stars on Amazon as of today. The link of this product is given in the description. Number 2 on this list is Hofen HO18 Digital Electronic LCD Personal Body Fitness Weighing Scale. This weighing scale is very efficient and effective product to use. It comes with tempered glass which is very tough and durable. This weighing scale has a high precision strain gauge sensor system in it. This weighing scale has 4 out of 5 star on Amazon as of today. You can click on the link in the description below to buy this product. Number 3 on this list is Venus Digital Body Weight Personal Weighing Scale. This weighing scale has material of glass which is transparent in color. Now let's talk about some features. This weighing scale has high precision strain gauge sensors in it and it can weigh up to 150 kilograms. This weighing scale has 3.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon as of today. The link of this product is given in the description. Number 4 on this list is Health Sensor Ultra Light PS126 Digital Personal Body Weighing Scale. The features of this weighing scales are immediate readings as soon as you step on the weighing scale and 4 latest version high precision sensors and much more. This machine has weight checking capacity from 5 kg to 180 kgs. This digital weighing scale has 4 out of 5 stars on Amazon as of today and the link of this weighing scale is given in the description below. Number 5 on this list is Hennes Electronic Thick Tempered Glass Body Weighing Scale. This weighing scale has LCD display with light, battery and temper indicator screen and it can check weight up to 180 kgs. This Hennes digital weighing scale has transparent color with color strip on it. This weighing scale has 3.5 out of 5 stars on Amazon as of today. All the links of these weighing scales are given in the description. You can buy from there.